people have kind of gone through these different revolutions all over the world. So it's something that we're still dealing with and struggling with. You know, liberty and freedom, and what does that mean, and what is right, what is wrong, what role does religion play in the world, all of these things. And then there's, you know, a little love story on the side and some prison stuff. So it's got something for everyone.
Join in our crusade, we will be strong and stand.